On Wednesday, 25th of March, 2 weeks after it registered its first case of COVID-19, Kenya closed its airspace to all international flights except cargo flights and ghost flights. The empty, deserted international airport in Nairobi was an unfamiliar sight, a far cry from its usual bustle. But this is only one in a raft of measures the government has taken to safeguard its population from the pandemic. Kenya has instituted a dusk to dawn curfew, restricted mass transport and banned large gatherings. The impact of these measures has been immediate, especially to those in the transport sector. Peter Muidhania has worked in the tours and travel industry for years, receiving foreign and domestic tourists and taking them around the country. But all of his foreign guests have now cancelled their trips to the country.
Unfortunately, because of the closure of the airport, it's not even something to think about that I'm going to receive any foreigner. So it's a serious impact, because even the kind of bookings that were done long before the corona came in, they have not been cancelled.
With a curfew in place and orders to keep their distance from others, domestic tourists are also shying away from travel. Belsheba Mwanza's trip to the coast with her family was cancelled just 1 week before she was due to travel.
I had hoped that things would settle in. When we started getting this information, I held on to my hope. So there's no cancellation done until yesterday, when the hotel called me and told me that they're not taking in any more people coming into their hotel. I also got a call from the flight telling me that I could leave my ticket open for the next 6 months, but that basically means that my trip is cancelled.
Across the country, major hotel chains and smaller establishments have issued notices announcing their closure indefinitely.
The uncertainty is real. It's not like the way we started thinking about it when we were starting, but now it's real. The impact is real, that tomorrow is completely uncertain about us.
But in the midst of all these changes, entrepreneurs in the transport and travel sector remain hopeful. They have joined the government, amplifying its message, urging members of the public to stay home and help curb the spread of COVID-19 so that things return to normal faster.
I am still willing to travel, and I think within the 6 months, I tell myself that things will get better, and yes, I'll still be willing to go to the particular place that I'd booked.
To this end, Kenya's Ministry of Tourism has set aside $5 million for its post-coronavirus recovery plan, holding on to the belief that when the crisis ends, the scenic sites will bustle with life again. Bulkiza Nyabwa, CGTN.